Your limitation is your imagination. I am Ritu Singh, your EVS teacher, and today we are going to start our new chapter, which is chapter 13, British rule in India. Okay, so in this chapter we will study about the British rule. Okay, that how British entered in our country, which is India. So British entered in our country in 16th century. Then they had number of betters, and at that point of time Jahangir was ruling. So as I have mentioned earlier, they had number of betters. So these are the betters. As in 16th century they entered in India, and they had Battle of Plassey in 1757, Battle of Buxar in 1764, and First War of Independence, or another name of this battle was Sepoy Mutiny in 1857. As we know that Britishers entered India, so they were trying to expand their rule, right? Or they were trying to expand their community. So for that they started to fight with Indian emperors, and first battle they had with Nawab Siraj-ud-Daulah, who was the ruler of Bengal province. After the Battle of Plassey, the Battle of Buxar happened. It is between the emperors of Bengal and British rulers. Britishers won both the battles, and they started to rule our country, India. And then they started to exploit Indians too. How they exploit Indians? Our Indian farmers were forced to grow crops in their fields, but they were forced to sell that crop to Britishers only. They were not allowed to sell that crop to another person. Okay, so that's how they exploit our Indian farmers. Indian sepoys were exploited too. How they were exploited? They were getting less salary than British rulers or British sepoys, right? And they were forced to remove the cover of cartilage which they have to load in that gun with their mouth, which was greased or which was made of the fat of pig and cow. So because of this reason, Indian sepoys went against Britishers or British rulers. So that's how the revolt of 1857 started. And the Bahadur Shah Zafar was the leader of Indian community in that war of 1857. Okay. After this, Bahadur Shah Zafar was captured by the British rulers. Some other leaders were also there who took part in this battle, and those leaders were Nana Sahib, Tatya Tope, Jhansi Ki Rani Lakshmi Bai, Mangal Pandey, Liaquat Ali, and Begum Hazrat Mahal. So the result of this revolt was that Bahadur Shah Zafar was sent to the Rangoon jail. Okay students, so this is for today. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.